African stories are vibrant, rich with culture, and often carry powerful lessons. They feature colorful character, mystical elements, and a deep connection to nature and tradition. Hi, my name is Valerie and welcome back to Rory Studio. Today I'm going to guide you through to the process of creating African folktale stories video using only the free tools. And the first step will be we need to get a content for our story. Then ChatGPT will help us with the content. Okay, so basically this is what I actually wrote for ChatGPT to rewrite for me so that it can create a professional story for me. So this is the story that ChatGPT has generated, and then I also went ahead and asked ChatGPT to help me with a prompt to generate images. So this is what ChatGPT has done for me. So the next step is to take this story and copy it and go to a website called Clipchamp. Okay, when you are in Clipchamp, you come to record and create. When you are in a record and create, go to text to speech. Let me just delete this one because I was busy with the story before, so let's just delete it. Let's go back and say click a record and create text to speech, and then you come here and then you paste your story. You paste it here and then you come here and change your language preference. So this is what I actually chose. I chose Tanzania. You can choose whatever that fits your needs. So, and then the next step, you come here and click save. Okay, it's gonna take just a few seconds. Okay, it's done, and then we come here and then we need to listen to the
title
story.
The Rise of Ngwato, a tale of ambition, temptation, and triumph. In the heart of the Bopidi kingdom, where the sun kissed the earth with golden warmth, there lived a man whose destiny was woven into the fabric of...
Okay, then we are done. The story is done. Then we come here to export our audio. Okay, then it will save into our computer. Then the next step is to convert this video into an MP3. So we need to go to the website called a free convert. A free convert is a free website where you can be able to convert your MP4 to MP3. So we're going to go and search for our MP4 from Clipchamp. Here it is, and then we want to create an MP. We want to convert it to MP3. So we come here and then you click convert. Okay, then our story here is done. Okay, it's finished converting. So we need to download our audio. Then we are done. Then we go to Leonardo. You click launch app. Okay, when you are in Leonardo, comes to image generation. And then you add your prompt here. Let's just add the prompt from ChatGPT and see what is going to give us. Okay, in the meantime I will just show you how Leonardo has generated for us before I record the video. So these are the images that Leonardo has created for us. That's so nice. Okay, I believe all these will go with my story. So let's just check. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. I need to change it to, let me just check which Leonardo Diffusion XL. So this is the one that I need to. Let's just download these two. All right, the next step is to go to, okay, we are in Canva. You click upload files. Then you upload these two images, since already we have other images, so we don't need to upload more. We just need only these two. And then another thing is to upload the audio. Let's change the background to, let's change it to black, and then we just add until the story is finished. We go according to the audio, so the images needs to match. Okay, then it means our story will be done when it comes here. Then we just push it like this. It's okay, and then we go back. Okay, then we go to the images. We can just listen to the story first.
Title: The Rise of Nguato, a tale of ambition, temptation, and triumph. In the heart of the Bopidi kingdom, where the sun kissed the earth with golden warmth, there lived a man whose destiny was woven into the fabric of time itself. His name was Nguato, a son of the Barot clan, blessed with intellect.
Okay, so we're going to have to add the image according to the scene, and then when you add the image, make sure that you put them like this, like this. Okay, where am I starting with this side? Let me just put one to here. Okay, let me put tomato again here. If you need to repeat the image, is also okay, you can do that. Okay, we're going to use only this piece. Okay, and then the next step is to start with this one, is to animate. You click here, and then you come to the photo movement. You see it's moving. Okay, let's animate this one as well. Let's apply it to all the pages, and then we also need to add a transmission. So let's add dissolve. Okay, and apply between all the pages.
The Rise of Nguato, a tale of ambition, temptation, and triumph. In the heart of the Bopidi kingdom, where the sun kissed the earth with gold.
Change. Where is that? We don't need to use the same photo movement. I'm not applying it to all. Just wanna see.
Title: The Rise of Nguato, a tale of ambition, temptation, and triumph. In the heart of the Bopidi kingdom, where the sun kissed the earth with golden warmth, there lived a man whose destiny was woven into the fabric.
Done. You can just come here, share, download, and then it's suggested MP4, which is correct, and then you come here, download. Okay. Afraid we came to the end of our video. Thanks for watching the video until the end, and don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.